Hey, GoldStrike, thanks a lot, pal. Now I've got the other light hanging on the ground. Thank you. I'm on the highway in Ohio, so this is the third time the lights have come off. Thank you so much, GoldStrike. I love your products and I love your support. Let me show you. Now this side is off. This side came off. I had to put a little tape there. Now this side came off. You know what, guys? Don't buy GoldStrike anymore. Don't buy GoldStrike. Look at this. Look at this. Unbelievable. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, GoldStrike. I love you, Ciro. I love you, GoldStrike Ciro3D. I love it. You owe me big time. Big time. I put my address in the last video. I hope you got a nice package coming to me. The Idiot Goldwinger. I really appreciate this. On the highway now, having to find some of my own tape to fix your mess. It's Garrett Henderson, the Idiot Goldwinger, on the Ohio Turnpike. On the Ohio Turnpike, after going 5,000 miles on my motorcycle. Look at this. So, for you guys who said, oh, it's the install wrong, they installed it. They repaired it, they installed it in Sturgis. Both of them came off. Let me fix it again. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I think I had the tape. I think I put the tape in here, right? So here are the Saddlebag lights. Bam. And I have these on my list as the top 10 items to buy. Well, guess what? These are coming off. Do not buy these. 300 bucks. I'm on my third, this will be my third set, and you charged me $45 to install it.
There you go.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So, it's time to remove from the Goldwing 10 items for Goldwing motorcycle, and most of it's GoldStrike. Look at this. It's not fair, GoldStrike. It's not fair at all, pal. Where's the love? So, if you own any GoldStrike products, make sure you carry a razor knife and additional Gorilla Tape because they fall. So I'm on the Ohio Turnpike. This one fell off. This one fell off. So make sure you have a little kit with you so you don't get stuck on the Ohio Turnpike like me, with someone waving you down. Hey, you're light, you're light. Thanks, GoldStrike. Thank you.